Hello lovelies. This is the Arrowhead Stitch. It's really easy. This is a great stitch for lines, for fillers and borders. You're going to need 3 parallel lines, and you can even mark out the dots as well if you want to have a more precise look to your arrowhead stitches. Bring your needle up through the fabric on that very first line at the very top and go down on the middle line. Bring your needle back up through the fabric on the far right line. Then you take your needle back down through on the middle line. It's really important that you go back down through on that middle line in the same stitch hole so that they meet. As you can see, it's straight stitches. 2 straight stitches form this arrowhead, and we're going to go all the way down to the bottom. So it's going to speed up a little in a minute. So we're always coming up on the far left, going down on the middle, coming back up on the far right, down on the middle. So you're coming up on those outside lines and you're going down on the inside line. And this, my loves, is the arrowhead stitch. This is a vertical arrowhead stitch. I'm going to do another video where I'm going to show you the horizontal arrowhead stitch, and we're going to thread it and make it extra pretty. So I hope that's helped. Please follow, please like, please share. Happy stitching.